Welcome to Pente Spotlight, how Irish engineers are cashing in on the AI boom. I'm Emily, your data privacy and security person, who hears AI boom and immediately wonders, okay, but who's powering all this safely?
And I'm Lucas, the tech enthusiast who hears AI boom and thinks, show me the money and the technology behind it.
Today's story is fascinating. While everyone talks about AI apps and chatbots, the real money is also being made behind the scenes in data center infrastructure.
Exactly. AI doesn't just run in the cloud magically. It runs in massive data centers, basically giant warehouses full of computers that need constant power and cooling.
And that's where companies like TES Group come in. They design power systems for these data centers. Recently, TES was sold to a large French company, Legrand, for over £100 million.
That's a big win. And it gets better. The investors who backed TES made about 4 times their money in just 2 years. That's the kind of return that makes people very interested in engineering.
It shows how critical infrastructure is. AI systems require non-stop electricity and advanced cooling systems. If power fails, everything stops.
And demand is exploding. Companies like Microsoft and Google are investing billions into data centers. One estimate says up to $3 trillion could be spent on them in the next few years.
That scale raises important questions. Energy consumption, environmental impact, and system security all become major concerns.
True, but it's also creating huge opportunities. Another company, LotusWorks, was sold for hundreds of millions, and others like Dornan Group and Winthrop Technologies also made big deals.
And then there's the biggest story, Philip O'Doherty. He sold his company before the AI boom, but kept shares in the business.
And those shares went from about $25 to $250. That's like buying something for 100 rupees and watching it become 1,000.
He has already made close to £2.5 billion from that deal. That's not just success, that's historic.
This shows something important. The AI boom isn't just about software. The real backbone is hardware, power, and infrastructure.
My takeaway is this. As AI grows, we must focus on sustainability, energy efficiency, and secure infrastructure. Growth must be responsible.
And my takeaway, the biggest opportunities in AI are sometimes hidden behind the scenes. Build the foundation and you build the future.
Yeah, that's all for our day on Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Thanks for listening, and keep exploring the technology shaping our world. See you next time.